Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 822 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have another Shopmissa product to try out. This is the Starry Lip Intensive Care. Now this just sounds like a great product for me because I have such dry lips. This has vitamin E and aloe in it, and it just sounds like a really nice, easy, moisturizing lip treatment. But it only cost $1 and it's cruelty free. So let's check it out. It's just a squeezy tube, which I love because I feel like that's a lot more sanitary than having to put my finger into a tub of lip product. Here you just squeeze it right on. So I think this is supposed to have a little tint of color. Let me go ahead and squeeze some out and see how it looks. Oh yeah, it's basically clear, I'd say, but ooh, nice shine. It has a pretty gel-like texture. It's kind of like a petroleum jelly. Looks like it has the same shine. Let's see if I get a scent. No, I don't think I'm getting any sort of fragrance or scent to this. So it really does remind me a lot of a Vaseline or petroleum jelly. So let's go ahead and see how it is on my dry lips. Great application, so easy. Feels so nice on the lips. It's great. It seriously is like putting on Vaseline, which I love. Vaseline is one of my favorite products to apply wherever I need moisture. I probably need to get a new Vaseline tub. I haven't had a new one in a while. But I guess this could be my replacement because it adds beautiful shine to the lips. It looks so hydrating, and it is so hydrating. Any dryness that I had on my lips is immediately gone, moisturized. My lips look smoothed out, healthy, and they feel so nourished and comfortable. And it's kind of like a greasy feel, like there's no stickiness, but I like that about it. It would be so neat if this had color to it, but I could mix this with a lipstick or a lip stain, something like that, to add some color into this. And I think that would be beautiful with this shiny finish. So this really was exactly what I was expecting. You know what? I have some eczema on my fingers. So I have been using just whatever moisturizing products I can find, and this actually feels so hydrating. I literally have been using lip mask to moisturize the really dry patches on my hands, and it works pretty well. So oh my gosh, this is great. It's also just like a little moisturizing treatment wherever you need it. So this has really high ratings on the Shopmissa website, and I understand why. It's a really great lip intensive care treatment. Vitamin E and aloe, but for only $1. So I'm really happy with this. I definitely think that you do not have to spend a lot of money on a nourishing lip product. I have found so many great ones for $1. So that's why when I get those expensive like $15, $20 lip balms in Ipsy or something like that, I'm like, wow, this is pretty much the same as those dollar store lip products that I love. So if you just want a nourishing kind of petroleum jelly like product, I think you should try this out. I will say though, it looks like almost everything on the Shopmissa website is sold out right now. So I think during these pandemic times, they don't have much inventory in their products. So when I did look this up, it was sold out, and that's how it's been with pretty much all the products I've been looking for in Shopmissa lately. So hopefully it comes back in stock if you do want to pick this up, but that's just my little warning disclaimer that I wanted to let you know about. But I'm really happy with this quick, successful product and video review. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Stay safe and healthy.